welcome back to another video. You are watching justatclick.com and today's video is all about Dell Latitude 7280 out here. A very interesting model out here, but Dell series out there. Dell Latitude is one of the variant which is widely used and very popular out here. When we talk about Latitude, then we can say that Dell series have always been incorporated with the good security processor as well as all the corporate world gadgets out there. Having a good screen size of 12.5 inches with an HD resolution, amazing core platform for the processing, operational windows out there, and a good storage is something we all adore in this gadget. Now talking about this gadget, let us talk about this variant out here. When we talk about this variant, then this is based out on Windows 10 operating system out there with a screen size of 12.5 inches. Yes, this is a screen size offered out here, which is 12.5 inches with Windows operating system out there with 64-byte computerization. Now, when we are saying this 12.5 inch screen size, then definitely it means that the display out here has something very important to do. Offering you LED screen display, along with that you get to have anti-glance featuring, HD resolution, backlight technology. So overall the display is very good out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you a core processor out there. Yes, a core processor could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant is definitely offering you a good core processor of Intel Core i5. Yes, Intel Core i5 core processor of 2.6 gigahertz could be seen out in this variant, which is definitely a very amazing version. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it is a light, not a very heavy, but a normal weighted phone out here, offering you 2 kgs weight. Yes, it is offering you 2 kg weight out here, which is definitely a good version. Along with that, when you get to see that this variant offers you a good dimensions, yes, it is offering you a good dimension. Screen size, we already know that 12.5 is the screen size, whereas you get to have 7 mm thickness. The thickness of this gadget is 7 mm, whereas the entire display or the entire dimension used to be 43 mm into 282 mm out there. So talking about this variant, then we can say that the variant out here is really good because it is offering you a good screen size, good display, good RAM out there, good processing. Talking about the RAM, then it offers you 8 GB installed RAM out here. Yes, it is offering you 8 GB installed RAM out here, which is definitely a good version. Along with that, it offers you a hard drive storage of 256 GB. So hard drive storage of 256 GB could be seen out here in the form of SSD. So in the form of SSD, you get to see this kind of format. Talking about the storage, then cache memory is also good, but the speed of RAM, the spindle speed of hard drive, since it is offering you SSD format, so no spindle speed will be seen. But the hard drive definitely offers a great storage, that is 256. But the RAM speed is definitely amazing out here, offering you 8 GB installed RAM with amazing speed out there. Now talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good integrated webcam out here with great graphics, because graphics plays an important role. So graphics from the Intel has been incorporated in this so that you get a very good multimedia out there. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant offers you a great range of specifications, great things out there, like connectivities out there. Talking about the connectivities, then it has got USB connectivity, audio input output connectivity, headphone jack connectivity, SD card reading connectivity out here, power connectivity drives out there. So these kind of things could be seen. Whereas internally, it has got a good stereo type speaker connectivity, microphone, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot connectivity. These kind of connections could be seen out in this variant. Apart from that, when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that it offers you a good range of specifications. Talking about these things, then we can say that it offers you great battery life, because this is also important when we have got really amazing gadgets out there. Then battery plays a very important role. And talking about the battery life, then it has got 4-cell lithium ion battery providing a good working hour. Yes, you get to have a great working experience because it is offering you a really amazing version. Now, when we have talked about the battery, display, its functionalities, let us talk about the pricing also, because it is a very important part of every gadget. So we are at justatclick.com. Yes, the site justatclick.com offers you amazing pricing out here. This offers you great deals, great pricing, as well as gadgets on this site can be customized if it has been allotted by the company. Yes, if the company has allotted customization, so you can customize your gadgets according to it. Now, talking about the gadget, let us talk about this Dell Latitude out here, so that it helps us to search the gadget very quickly. So this is the result out here. It is with bag, small description is there, and it comes with a condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or certified refurbished products, we can say that they are actually same. Refurbished and certified refurbished are the same words. Whereas brand new and refurbished products are similar like products. Yes. When we talk about brand new products, then they are absolutely new products, first time released out in the market. Whereas refurbished products are nothing else but the gadgets which have been pre-owned ones. So these two categories have the same design phones, same functionality in these gadgets. Even the testing and approval, the certifications out there, each and everything is same. You talk about anything of any gadget in brand new, you will find that in refurbished also. The only thing is that refurbished products are once used gadget. Yes, they have been once used, it has been pre-owned by a user. So that's why they have come under the category of refurbished. Otherwise, they are also brand new type gadgets only. Now, talking about this, let us talk about the pathway which is followed out by brand new and refurbished. Talking about the pathway, we can say that the brand new pathway is like the company first releases out the gadget in the marketplace. So that company is the base, which is always the same. Company will be always the base out here, releasing the gadget in the marketplace so that user can buy it. Yes, user can buy it. That is the main reason out here. Now, talking about this gadget, this gadget has been pre-owned now. Yes, the brand new gadget has been pre-owned. So it is now released out in the category of brand new, and it terminates when the user buys it. Now it is a pre-owned gadget. Yes, this is a pre-owned gadget out here. So this will terminate the brand new cycle. Now what happens is sometimes user might not want to use that gadget or wants to sell it off. So the gadget has been sold off to a new marketplace. Now this is the starting of refurbished product. Yes, this is the starting of refurbished product. One, the gadget is again resold to a new marketplace. Now what happens is it has been resold to a marketplace so that new user can buy it. Now once a new user buy it, it is under the category of refurbished out there. So this is what happens in the entire cycle. We can say that refurbished is the extension of brand new cycle. Yes, it is an extension to the brand new cycle. Whereas when we talk about these two products, then we can say that they have got the same structure, same designing, same testing. Only the testing sites varies out there. For brand new products, testing sites are various sites out there. There are n number of sites. This company tests and verifies it on n number of sites before releasing it in the market. Whereas for refurbished product, what happens is testing and verification is done on the same site which is going to resell that gadget. Yes, it is done on the same site out here. Now, when we are talking about these two products, we know that they have same structure and everything. We can also state a statement that every refurbished product was once a brand new product. Yes, this could be said as like this, that every refurbished product is once a brand new gadget. Now, when we said that everything is same, testing, parameters, structure, functionality, everything is same. What are the parameters which are included? Talking about the parameters, we can say that it includes the parameters which are in the external format or the internal format. Talking about the external formats, we can say that externally it offers you gadgets like externally it offers parameters which can be seen directly through the eyes, which does not require any tool, any software out here. Such as like the display, screen size, as well as you get to see that it offers you a good scratches. If there are scratches, then what kind of scratches are there? They are replaced or not. Connectivity to the connectors, capturing capacity, integrated webcam out there, buttons, button intactness, working of each and every button, shortcut keys working or not, touchpad out here. So everything which is external feature of any gadget could be checked out. Now, once it has been checked, then it moves to the internal parameters. Whereas the internal parameters are quite complicated because these are the internal components. These require the internal components as an internal part, like it requires software, it requires tools, it requires a lot of things out there. Now, talking about these internal components, these include the processor, graphics, chip system, speed, storage, connectivity to each and every point, circuits out there. Every point which is the internal point could be said as the internal component, and this comes in the category of internal parameter. Once internal and external parameters are checked out, it is verified and approved, then it is certified refurbished or refurbished product. What once happen if one part is failed out or it does not pass that test? It has to be replaced or rechecked or renewed out here. Yes, it has to be replaced, rechecked, and renewed out there so that it can be absolutely newly like gadget. Now, this replacement has to be done with the original part provided by the company. Yes, the part provided by the company offers you the original part. No duplicate, no fake or unknown part has to be used. So this is the reason why refurbished products are absolutely newly like products out there. Now, what are the benefits associated? Because there must be some benefits of refurbished product, and the number one benefit out here is the pocket-friendly rates. What happens is that brand new products are actually expensive. They are quite expensive out here. So you do not get to have that much amount of money sometimes that are not pocketable for you. So you get to have refurbished gadgets, the same gadget in refurbished condition under the pocket-friendly rating. Since there is a difference in the pricing, so you get to have a savings also. Yes, you can have a savings for your gadgets out there. We know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, exchange policy. What about the refurbished? Refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy. Yes, these offer the 6 months warranty, 70 exchange policy, so that you can have that gadget with all other specifications. So having these benefits promotes the refurbished category, helps to have that gadget and refurbished product. Pocketable rates, savings, 6 months warranty, exchange policy, these all things are really amazing. So you can definitely try out refurbished products. And let us again see the website we were talking about. We were at justatclick.com. Yes, the website justatclick.com. The website itself says you are just a click away from your gadgets out there. So this website offers you customizability option. We already know that gadgets could be customized if company has allotted them. So this helps you customize gadget, offers you large selection, great deals, huge savings, 6 months warranty period. Along with that, COD and free shipping could be seen. Yes, COD and free shipping is also available out here. So you can definitely check out the website on Google, that is justatclick.com, or you can check out description for the link. Description has the link. As well as this is an online website, so no hassle, no free. There is absolutely safe website out there. So do check out the description or on Google justatclick.com.